In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage and import contacts in Monday.com. Whether you're organizing a small team or tracking an extensive list of clients, learning how to efficiently manage and import contacts is essential for streamlined operations. Let's dive in and explore how you can enhance your workflow using Monday.com. First, open up your web browser and go to Monday.com, a dynamic platform designed to help teams manage their processes and workflows. Once you're on the site, locate the Login button, typically found in the upper right-hand corner of the homepage, and click on it. For a smooth login experience, especially if you're a Google user, click on the Google option. This feature allows you to quickly sync your Google account with Monday.com, reducing login headaches and saving you valuable time. Simply select your Google account from the list provided, and voila, you're in. Once you're logged in, it's time to find the contacts board. This board is your central hub for managing all your contacts in one place. Navigate to the contacts board, which you likely set up as part of your initial Monday.com configuration. If you're not already familiar, it serves as a consolidated space where all your contact information is stored and managed efficiently. Now that you're on the contacts board, let's explore adding new contacts. Look to the top left corner and find the New Contact drop-down menu. Click on the arrow to reveal several options, one of which should be New Group of Contacts. Selecting this option allows you to create a new group within your contacts, a handy way of categorizing and managing specific contact clusters. For instance, you might have separate groups for clients, suppliers, or team members, whatever fits your organizational needs. Next up, we have the Import Contacts feature. This tool is incredibly useful for quickly populating your contact list with data you already have. By clicking on Import Contacts, you can easily upload a CSV file containing your contacts. This feature is a game changer for those with extensive contact lists, as it eliminates the need for manual data entry and helps ensure accuracy by directly sourcing from your existing records. In summary, understanding how to manage and import contacts in Monday.com is a simple yet powerful way to enhance your team's efficiency. By leveraging these tools, you can keep all your contact information neatly organized and readily accessible. We hope this tutorial has helped make the process clear and straightforward for you. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing with Monday.com.